Hi there, I'm Shelley and Steps behind the camera.
Nope.
And today we're going to show you how we attach these custom-made fronts to an IKEA Maximera drawer. Here are the drawer fronts from our IKEA kitchen. We've had them made by a carpenter. The two top drawers, these are the middle drawers, they're 59.7 times 19.7 and they're 1.9 centimetres thick. And the bottom one, this is the high drawer, this is 59.7 centimetres times 39.7 centimetres and it's also 1.9 centimetres thick. We need to draw the holes in the drawer fronts, and we've taken an IKEA drawer and measured where the holes have got to go, and we've put them on here on this piece of wood. We will get a close-up in a minute of this piece of wood so you know exactly where the holes have to go. Please note that the measurements are now in millimetres and not centimetres. And to make sure it's all in the right position, we put a piece of wood at the bottom and a piece of wood at the side and make sure it's in there just in the right spot. And this is the bottom of the drawer on all of the drawers. We're now going to build the large Maximera drawer together. We've got to screw these on. We're going to just screw on with the bottom two holes that go on here, and this bit also with just the bottom two holes is screwed up here. Then we're going to build the drawer together and attach it to the front of the drawer. This is the middle-sized drawer for the Maximera series. We're now going to screw exactly the same pieces on, but this time using the two top holes of everything. and you'll see that in the film.